Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S22 Ultra that is in need of a new battery and also a new display. So let's do both right now. So this Galaxy smartphone is quite old at this point. You can see the scratches all over the smartphone, but we will replace the display because it's cracked, it's flickering, it's got white lines, everything is messed up. And we will also replace the housing that comes with the display, so it's gonna look brand new after we are done with it. And you can see the back cover is also in pristine condition, no cracks. So we remove it by slowly prying through the side. There's factory adhesive, and I think this is not anymore factory. It has been opened before. It's quite easier now to remove, which is good. It's quite easier. See there you go, no problem at all. So this one is not anymore long lasting because the S22 Ultra is known for its long battery life. The battery is already degrading, so we need to put a new battery inside as well. So we are going to remove the S Pen. We are removing this wireless charging module, a few of the flex cables going to the main daughter board, antenna cables, the main board, and the front camera. So a lot of connectors to be detached. So if you are unsure that you can do this, you might be an enthusiast who want to try smartphone repair, you can definitely try it on your own device first and use the appropriate screwdriver, appropriate tools to remove, and you can open iFixit or use this video as a rough reference. But if you're unsure, you definitely should consider a professional technician to look and check on the damages on your S22 Ultra. It's a very expensive device even in 2025. So we're going to remove some speakers. The main board is also off. So everything, the main board is off, the front camera is also off. This is our replacement display. So we haven't really removed the battery from the old screen because we don't need the old battery as well. So we are transplanting everything, small components, small screws into the replacement display. And you can see that the replacement screen also comes with its own housing, so it's not anymore black. It's kind of a metallic blue or purple. We're putting back the front camera, so it's just like Lego, and David makes it look easy on camera, but when you try to hold it in your own hands, it's quite fiddly. Very tiny components, microscopic even. So we have like a chip here. We're reusing the original one from the old display. I think this is a detector for the S Pen. Not really sure. You can see it's attached to the S Pen holder. There you go. S Pen also snugly fitting on the new display. We are going to remove this adhesive tape cover. We have a new battery. We're gonna attach that to the main board, and a few flex cables, daughter board, and the wireless charging module will come in next, and that's gonna be it. We will test a lot of things: the charging, the display, the color, touch functionality, and the overall responsiveness of the device, because we are replacing two components which can be unpredictable. Can cause unpredictability whenever you are testing it. But in our own experience, the S22 Ultra is very robust. It's also very forgiving if you messed up some reassembly, but a professional technician will know if something is wrong right away. So the fit of the parts are all okay. We are going to turn this on now. So two things that we can see here. The display is good. It's working because it's the first time we've tested it. And the battery is also good. So that's a good thing. I'm not really surprised. We have an expert here. David is an expert Samsung repair technician with years of experience. So, you know, it's another Samsung repair for him. But for me, it's really amazing how we can save a flagship smartphone from the bin. You know, save some money, save the environment just by replacing one or two parts, in this case the screen and the battery, and make it look brand new. You can just sell it off. To be honest, you can reset the smartphone and sell it off, and you can just make money. But for the client, this is gonna be their daily smartphone for a year or two or three. If they take good care of this is gonna be a total beast of a smartphone. It's very high quality even in 2025, and we'll cover this up, and hopefully we will not see this anytime soon here in the shop. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope this inspired you to fix your own stuff and not buy brand new unnecessarily. So you can see this is the final result. We have the broken components already set aside for recycling, and we'll hope to see you again next time. Take care, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious.